So today we're taking a look at one of my friend's websites, Top Microphones. He's doing affiliate marketing for different mics in the music industry. So let's take a look at it. So I ran an audit earlier, and these are some of the bigger takeaways I found from the site. So the first one is there needs to be custom title and meta descriptions for the site. The way I can tell that these aren't customized. So you go here, site. You can look. They have Top Microphones. The titles are way too long. You see the 3 dots, stuff like that. So we want to rewrite these and optimize for click-through rate with that. The next thing is there's thin content on the home page, and we could use a better keyword for H1 tag. I didn't do the keyword research for this, but the H1 tag for the site Top Microphones is obviously Top Microphones. I think there could be something much better than that. And then on top of that, there's no H2 tag on the page, and it's very thin content. As you can tell, they just have the different sections right here, dynamic microphone right here, and all that. But there's really no content on the home page, so we need to get that addressed there. So the next thing is the change URL structure. I'm not sure how much traffic the site's currently getting, but if you look under reviews, and we'll just go to a random product, we'll do the first one, right? I just go straight to the Sennheiser MD421, and then it says to review. Really, you should have it /reviews/ and then the model name. It's better to get all that in there. Again, it kind of depends on the traffic on the site. I don't think it's getting a lot of traffic currently. I'm not too sure. If it's not, definitely change up that URL and do a 301 redirect to make sure everything's proper there. And if you guys don't know what 301 redirect is, it's if you change the URL structure on a website, goes from the old URL, which would be something like this, to the new one, which would be /reviews/ and then the model name. If you don't do a 301 redirect, you'll get a 404 if anyone goes to this link right here, which would still be showing up on Google, or if anyone has backlink to this website, which there probably isn't any backlinks, but you never know. Next thing is there needs to be more heading tags. So if you take a look at this article right here, there's not really many heading tags at all on here. When I looked at earlier, buy from Amazon was the H2 tag, and then the title was the H1 tag. You want to add a lot more heading tags in here, build out more of a structured post. Next thing is you want to remove the buying guide. If you click on here, right, sorry, no post, nothing found, it doesn't really look good. And the same thing on the home page for buying guides, nothing there. So either remove it or add like an article or two here just to make sure it actually looks decent. Along with that, also for the stay connected, having the number 0 there doesn't look good. So remove the number, just say stay connected Facebook and stuff like that for now. And then when you start getting more of an audience, add that back in there for more of a social proof. You also want to update the year in the description. Currently you have 2018 down there. Update that to 2019 and actually in a month and a half, 2020, but that's old, doesn't look good. The website's missing some of the important established pages, so like about and contact. It just kind of looks like just a general review site. Having an about page really helps drive that, you're an actual person, you're just not a website. And then same with the contact page. If someone wants to contact you, how are they going to do that? I don't see a contact page down here. I don't see a contact page up here. So that needs to be there. Every website needs to have a contact page. When I was going through the site as well, a lot of the images weren't having alt tags. It's not a huge deal, but you definitely need to have alt tags there, especially just letting people know if they have disabilities or anything like that. I think it was ADA or something like that that is now suing websites that don't have alt tags. So obviously they're not going to sue a small website, but just start going through and adding alt tags. It's better to do it now while you're small than later on when you're more of an established brand. Yeah, we already talked about the remove counts. And then the social media, you have nothing really going on there. Either remove it or start building it up. The Facebook doesn't really exist at all. And then everything else, I checked on those. There's no post or anything like that. So anyways, that's a quick review for Top Microphones. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it down below, and then check the description if you guys need an audit or keyword research or want some SEO coaching or white label, whatever you want. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.